What is going on, guys? My name is Dom Marachi, and I'm so excited to bring you this case study today. We are going to be going over how I made $10,000 from one singular TikTok post, which is so insane to say. We are going to be going over absolutely everything, the video itself, the product I used, how I made the money, how I was paid out, absolutely everything. So sit back, relax, grab some popcorn, but have a notepad ready because this is going to be so value-packed. Jumping right in, on the right side, we have a screenshot from within my TikTok shop affiliate dashboard, and you could see that this video amassed over 3.4 million views, all these cool fancy numbers, but the biggest one we're going to focus on are the estimated rewards, which came in at just shy of $11,000. So how did I do this? Let's first talk about TikTok Shop and what it is. In my opinion, TikTok Shop is the easiest way to earn passive income by promoting viral products. It's because you need no inventory. You don't need to make a business, an LLC, or have a company or anything like that. All you need is a phone and an idea for a video, and you're good to go. And I promise, if you stay consistent and follow the process, your first viral video is inevitable. You just have to give it enough time. But essentially, as an affiliate, you're going to request a free sample from a brand, receive that product. You're then going to make a shoppable video using that product. Very simply, you're just going to tag the product in the little orange shopping cart that I'm sure you've seen before as you upload the video. From there, anyone who goes and buys that product from your video, you will earn a commission every single time. So how do you go and actually set up the TikTok page? So I started with 0 followers and needed to get to 5,000 in order to apply for the TikTok Shop affiliate program. And instead of waiting to grow the page organically, I simply just ran an ad campaign to hit 5,000 followers in 72 hours. And from there, I was good to go. I was ready for viral content. I didn't have a niche I was cornered into, anything like that. I just had a page, applied, and was good to go, ready to start promoting content. Now let's get into the fun part, which is how did I find this product, right? And the product, which I'll show in the video itself, is a PS5 charging and cooling station. You'll see all the benefits in the video ad coming up. But essentially, I found the product by hacking my For You page to show me only trending winning products. And when this came up on my For You page, I picked it because I really thought it was cool and I genuinely loved it and I needed it. Like, I love PS5, I love hanging out with the homies and playing, but my setup is like pretty bad. So I was like, I could use this. I then received the product for free and then went ahead and made $10,000 from it in 30 days. So not a bad deal, right? So now I want to go into the exact video ad. I'm going to show you this video ad first, what it looked like, and then I'm going to break down why it went so viral and performed so well. So let's open this up, and then I'm going to move my ugly face out the way, and let's get a look at what this video looked like. This is what my PS5 setup used to look like, and this is what it looks like now. And it's all because of this PS5 station that's a charging and cooling station to protect your device. It comes with 2 charging stations that show you active battery life, a fan control setting to make sure it's cool, 3 extra USB slots, a USB-C, and a holder for your headphone. Any PS5 owner will absolutely love this. I'll link it down below for the holiday season. There's a crazy Black Friday deal going on. So as you can see, nothing too crazy. And the best part, I didn't even need to show my face to make that kind of money on that video. Now, why did it go so viral? Number one is it was a piquing curiosity hook, which very simply means I'm piquing curiosity from the viewer right away by saying, this is what my PS5 setup used to look like. So instantly they're already subconsciously thinking, well, what is it gonna look like? Then you pair that with that big text saying ew with the throw up emoji and the grossed out face. That's also gonna pique a ton of curiosity because people are gonna be like, what's so gross? What am I about to watch? From there, I used jump cuts. I talked about all of the great features, marketed it towards PS5 owners. The biggest reason it sold was because the before and after, that clip, when it came in and was beautiful looking, that's why everyone stopped from scrolling, watched the rest of the video, and bought that product. So now, let's get into posting and viral growth, right? So as I posted the video, right after, 48 hours went by, and I thought it was just like every other video. It had 600 views, it had no sales, and I was like, okay, all right, until the next 30 days, where 3 million views came in, you could see right here, and $10,200 in profit. This is when my mind just exploded, and I knew I was onto something. So now I thought about, well, how do I maximize these sales and really like double my earnings, right? So what I did was I made comment reply videos like it was my day job. I replied to every question and comment with a new video, keeping the hype of the product alive and drawing more engagement back to the original video, which just made TikTok push it more and more and more. I then remade and tweaked that same exact video daily. I would just change maybe the ew text to something else, or that first clip I would add something funny like a banana peel on the desk as a before scene to draw more engagement. Just changing one thing and uploading that every single day. And then I realized when a product takes off, it's time to go all in. So instead of wasting my time or spending my time testing other products, I just replaced this product as one of my other ones I was testing and posted every single day with this product to maximize content and sales. So now let's get into how I got paid and what happened next. And this is when I realized how unbelievable of an opportunity TikTok Shop Affiliate actually is, because all these sales were coming in and I'm like, this is too good to be true. Am I actually going to receive my money? And this is how simple it was. Simply, as soon as you make your first sale, TikTok will prompt you to set up your payments. All I did was put in my personal info and my bank account, and I was approved instantly. $10,000 was then paid out to my bank account within a week of the customers receiving their products. And that's when my mind was blown. And I was like, oh my gosh, it's real. I then kept replicating this, and I've yet to make less than 5 figures a month since. I'm so serious. It's just about over and over again repetition. So you now have two options after learning the information I just taught you. I just laid out exactly what you need to do, how I did it, and how you can do it too. The option of number one is to do it yourself, which is going to take time and effort, even just to qualify for TikTok Shop. Hitting 5K followers organically could take months if you're not doing it correctly. Then if you want to run ads, if you don't have any experience running ads and you don't know how to structure the campaign, you are going to waste a lot of money trying to get to 5,000 followers. You're then going to need to know how to find a winning product, which is difficult without a proven system. And then you're going to really need to know the hardest part, which is going viral. And you're not going to have a predictable strategy to do so. Pair that with lack of accountability, lack of motivation by being by yourself while you're doing all this and getting no support or guidance, and you are in a much tougher spot than you should be. Your other option is to join the TikTok Shop Insiders. This is a paid community that I'm so excited to launch and bring to all of you. This is going to allow you to fast track to 5K followers. So we have step-by-step training on all three options of getting to 5K followers, which is an ads campaign, purchasing a pre-approved page, or just growing organically. You then have access to my FYP hacking method to instantly find winning products before they blow up, all while simply just scrolling the app. You then have a guaranteed viral strategy to follow, right? You're going to follow battle-tested content formulas that are designed to go viral instead of guessing how to go viral. The best part too is you're then going to get 24/7 support from myself and all of the experts inside of the community that are making money today with TikTok Shop. And the two biggest bonuses I'm so excited to offer, you are going to get a top 100 hooks, meaning you're going to get a list of all of the best performing hooks of all time used by TikTok Shop affiliates, all in one organized PDF for you. And the best part, exclusive brand deals. So we are partnering with high-paying brands that are looking for affiliates to simply just post one video per day for that page, and they'll pay you month over month over month, securing you a consistent income stream to instantly see a return off of this investment. So the choice is yours. Let's make it happen. You now have everything you need to succeed with TikTok Shop. The only question is, how fast do you want to see the results? You can spend months figuring it out on your own like I did, or you can shortcut your success and start earning now. You're going to follow the proven system. You're going to start building a passive income stream, and you're going to get paid daily. So you can click the link in the description to get instant access to the TikTok Shop Insiders community. The sooner you start, the sooner you're going to get paid. I'm so excited to see a bunch of you in there. I really do hope you guys enjoyed this case study and got a ton of value in it and from it. And other than that, keep killing it. I hope to see you at the top soon. And I'm so excited to welcome a ton of you inside of the community.